Good morning, guys, and welcome for another vlog
here in Siargao.
We woke up pretty late.
Yeah. It was raining though.
It was raining, so our main plan was we were gonna go surfing in the morning.
But look at it now.
It's sun. But anyway, we're gonna go and get some food. We're gonna go to this one of our favorite places here in Siargao. It's called Czar. It's like so healthy. So
and then we're gonna inquire about surfing after.
Yeah.
So
we'll see you in Czar.
bye.
Alright, so we have ordered our smoothie bowl. What did you get, babe?
I got bomdia, which is like a, how do I say it? Acai?
Acai, yeah.
Acai. Acai bowl with like mango and things, and then I got a mango shake as well. It is a little bit expensive here, but like it's worth it.
It is worth it.
And like it really fills you up, even though like you think like a smoothie bowl, but I'm telling you, it fills you up.
I also got Cloud9. It's like peanut butter with banana coconut flakes and chocolate chip.
Yeah. I had that one like 3 years ago when we came here, and you had the one I'm getting now.
Yeah. Right, so this is actually located in Cloud9. As you can see there, that's where the surfing area is. There used to be like a little house there, but because of the typhoon, it got destroyed. But yeah, we'll probably like head down there and inquire about the surfing bit, like what's the best time to go, whether to go, if it's worth it to go in the morning or just go in the afternoon ready for sunset. But yeah, guys, I miss this place. It gives me like the major throwback. But yeah, let's go and eat. Oh, so there's Zoe's bomdia. Cloud9. What did you get, Shat?
Cloud9 Coke and Cocoa Latte.
Got the same one as well. Let's eat.
Okay, guys.
Alright, that was nice. We couldn't even properly finish it off.
It always looks so easy to just like, when you see it, you're like, oh, it's just liquid, like that will go down nice and easy. No, you get halfway and you're like, whew.
But it was nice. It's definitely worth it. The smoothie bowl, I think all of them cost about 300 pesos each.
All of them, yeah.
And you can also get a combo deal with the smoothie bowl as well as a coffee for 380, which is a bit cheaper. But yeah, so we're gonna head back to our place. We're gonna go meet up with the others, and we're gonna go back to Catangnan bridge and probably jump off the bridge. You know, because why not? Why not, Zoe?
Why not?
Why not? But yeah, we'll see you back at the house later.
Nobody never know.
guys, we've made it to the bridge. And look, like during the day, it's like no one's here. Whereas at sunset time, it's like the place to be. There's loads of kids currently jumping off into here because it's high tide right now. But I'm a little bit scared, but RJ's got to do it. So he's going full send it mode. We're going to actually try and get the kids to jump in with him.
If you comment down below, guys, I'll probably jump in as well. So, but we'll see.
So yeah. So we've got all the kids to come and help RJ jump.
Wait long, not yet.
Are you going from there? Just close your eyes. Jesus Christ.
20 minutes later.
No. Again.
Yeah. How's that?
It's actually quite scary. When you're up on the thing, it's scary.
It's because you can't see, right?
No, yeah, that's the thing. If I knew if it was like proper deep, I wouldn't even hesitate, but...
They said it's actually safer to jump off there.
Oh, really?
Because there's like a old bridge, like debris over on this side where we jump.
Oh my god.
And only kids are usually jump from there. So like us, we should have jumped over there. We're just lucky like...
You didn't touch anything though, no?
Nah, thank God, but... I mean over there, it gets shallow over there, right? Like
Yeah.
when you get closer to the steps.
Very shallow.
God damn. Now we know.
Alright, so after jumping from Catangnan Bridge, we're gonna head over to Cloud9 now and then...
So excited. We haven't surfed in 3 years, so like we're getting a guide again just to like get our feet
Just to have a
in.
little refresh.
I can go forward, but I can't steer. I'm scared.
But anyway, let's go.
15 minutes later.
So we've made it to Cloud9.
Yes, sir. So we got Kuya as our guide with 2 more other guides. So
And it costs 500 pesos per person. That's a fixed rate. That's what everybody charges.
that's including the guide as well
Yeah.
to the trainer.
We're gonna pay an extra money for someone to like take the GoPro images for us. If it's one person, it's 300 pesos, but because there's 3 of us, it's 500 for the guy to like all together to picture all 3 of us. And then I'm gonna hire a rash guard just so I don't burn as easy.
How much is that again?
And that's 100 pesos. So that's really reasonable
Yeah.
to be honest. But yeah, let's go surfing.
Let's go.
I'm scared, Kathy. This is our first time on a hardboard. We've only ever done softboard before.
Go. Let's go. Let's go.
so good. Chat.
Yeah, my back hurts from the
We were halfway through and she was like, can we come back and do it tomorrow? I was like, sure. It was
So good.
it was so fun, especially that hardboard. It's a lot easier to steer on that actually, but at the same time you have to balance a lot more. But yeah, it was so much fun. We caught quite a lot of waves. Shat was like a pro and it was her first ever time.
first time
Olympics, here we come.
SEA Games.
Next minute, she's gonna move to Siargao.
Yeah. Leave a comment down below if you think Czar's cousin Chat Chat should move to Siargao.
100 likes, I'll move to Siargao.
100 likes, she's
likes.
gonna move to Siargao. She currently works in Boracay, so this would be a nice, different atmosphere for her. So yeah, we have had a great time surfing. It's a must-do here in Siargao. It's the surfing capital of the Philippines, so make sure if you come to Siargao that you get a guide. It's super safe with the guide, so
And it's only
fun.
500 pesos, guys.
For an hour.
And it doesn't even feel like an hour, it feels like
longer, yeah. It's good. So yeah, make sure you do that if you come to Siargao. It's so good. Anyway, we're gonna head back to the house now, and then shall we eat?
We'll probably
I'm
get some
hungry.
food. Yeah, I'm starving.
Gutom ka ba? Oh, what? Still?
Not too much water.
2 hours later.
Alright, so we have now got changed. I feel so refreshed.
Yes,
Aren't
same.
you?
And I feel so good. Like that surfing was it's such a good activity.
Yeah, but we are at Big Belly Burgers at the moment, like right here in GL. I just got a Big Mac,
And
basically
I got a chicken burger.
a Siargao version of the Big Mac.
And we just got it for takeaway, just so we can go back and edit. It's pretty chill, and then we're just gonna go and have a little look in a few shops whilst we wait for it. So yeah.
The fries is actually quite nice. So it comes with fries. How much did we pay? Altogether, it was, I think it's about 740. But look how fat that is. Wow. Oh yeah, babe, it came with a sauce.
No, that's cheese.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not
Oh,
mayo.
it looks nice though. Alright, but anyway, I'm gonna devour this and then I'm gonna hit the gym.
A few minutes later.
Oh my god, that was so nice. Like, I've literally devoured that. But now, I think we're just gonna chill now, so.
Going gym.
Oh yeah, actually going gym, so I won't be chilling, it'll be Zoe chilling. Right, Zoe?
Rest day because I was surfing.
Oh, you don't want to come?
But anyway, I'll see you in a bit.
Much later.
Okay guys, after a great day, we are gonna go and have some cheap but Masarap food.
We're gonna go back to Covada because it's so nice and it's super affordable.
Yeah, so yeah, let's go. I'm excited because
I'm hungry.
it's so good there. Let's go. What do you say to the vlog about Covada?
Dude, Curvada is a must try here in Siargao. Like, damn, just thinking about it makes me salivate, dude.
The best.
Okay guys, so I got nasi goreng, eggs, some peanut sauce and some potatoes. They ran out of meat just before we came, but it's okay, it's all good. Let's tuck it.
Alright, that was amazing. I
As
really love
always.
Covada. And that only cost us 180 pesos
For both
of us. It's crazy.
So 90 pesos each for a meal for dinner, which in pounds is
Well, I'd say it's about £3.
£1.30.
Yeah, so it's about just under
Each.
£3 for both of us.
Crazy.
But anyway, we're gonna head back now, and we're probably gonna rest because we are dead.
Yeah, from that surfing. But it was so much fun. You must do it if you're here in Siargao. And yeah, super excited for the rest of Siargao.
But anyway, make sure to like,
Share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below.
press that notification bell on just so that you know when we will be posting.
Bye.
Peace.